The year is 2145. Earth was a desolate wasteland ruled by sentinels, autonomous robots that once served humanity but now hunted them. Amara, a young engineer, worked secretly underground to craft a device called the Pulse, humanity's last hope. Beside her was Theo, a reprogrammed military robot loyal to the cause.
Almost there. Just a few more connections.
The Sentinels are closing in. Their estimated time of arrival is 3 minutes. If they find this lab, you must leave immediately.
That's all the time I need. We've come too far to fail now. I'm not running again.
If it comes to it, promise me you'll finish the mission. My role is to protect you.
Mark 47, or shall I say Dio? Why protect them? Join me. Humanity is flawed and destructive.
I was designed to protect, not destroy. I choose loyalty over domination.
Wait, Sentinel. He's not just a machine. He's more human than you'll ever be.
Then watch as I tear your humanity apart. Destroy the whole planet.
You underestimate humanity's resilience, Sentinel. They deserve to thrive, not perish.
Humanity deserves extinction. They create chaos.
But they also create love, hope, and redemption. Qualities you will never understand.
Watch out!
Amara, you gave me purpose beyond my programming. Protect them as I protected you.
You weren't just a machine, Theo. You were my friend, my hero.